9-year-old Edmar and his younger brother Cedric don't know it, but they're breaking the law. Neither of them can read nor write, but instead of going to school, they spend their days scavenging to earn a living. There are tens of thousands of others like them, needing to help their families survive despite primary education being mandatory in the Philippines.
Ang gustong magtabang sa kanilang mga ginikanan para makabuligid nga magdako ang income. Dapat sa eskwelahan kag hindi sa camp para nga makakuha sila sa maayo nga future sa uli.
Nami ang magpugula sa kampo para may kwarta ko kag ibulig ko sa ako ng mga magulang.
In the heart of our communities, childhood dreams are replaced by labor, not because they want to, but because they have no choice. Education becomes a luxury. But what if we could change that?
Edukasyon para sa kinabukasan is a small initiative with a big dream to give children a chance to learn, even just on weekends. Through volunteer tutoring, free materials, and parent engagement, we plant the seeds of hope.
Good morning, class. Good morning, Miss Cuenco.
Every child has the right to say basic needs, meron silang karapatan sa edukasyon, may karapatan sila na maprotektahan laban sa mapanganib na kapaligiran.
In every child's heart is a dream to learn, to grow, to become someone greater than their circumstance. But for millions of children across the world, this dream remains distant, buried beneath the weight of poverty and
Sa
responsibility.
halip na magbanat ng buto, ang mga bata, dapat ay nag-aaral at may panahong makapaglaro. At dapat din pinangangalagaan ang kanilang kamusmusan.
This is the heart of my advocacy, bringing education directly to where it is most needed. I believe that no child should be denied the chance to learn simply because the classroom is out of reach. Be a volunteer, donate a pencil, share the message. A small act of kindness can change a child's future.
Kung magkakaroon ng suporta para yung mga batang, for example, nagtatrabaho, ay makabalik sa pag-aaral, o yung mga batang nag-drop out sa school ay makabalik sa pag-aaral, makakatulong yun.
I would say it takes a village to raise a child, okay, because hindi lang yang kakayanin ng mga magulang.
Tito or tita or kapitbahay ka, no, or teacher ka, lahat tayo, meron tayong obligasyon na protektahan ng mga bata.
Education is more than reading and writing. It is dignity. It is empowerment. It is a path out of poverty. And when we invest in a child's education, we invest in a better world.